Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at how to connect to your SQL server, your MSSQL server, and that's with Visual Studio. So it's really easy. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing to do is come up to View and then the option SQL Server Object Explorer. Select that. You can see that the tab toolbar on the far left hand side shows you the quick way to get to the option to browse your SQL server. Now if you want to stop your code from being hidden and expand the box so it stays in place, then you can just use the pin tool. You'll see it there selected. Now click on the add server icon. In the pop-up box server name, put the remote IP address for the database that you've got, and then put at the end comma and then space and then 14330, and that's the port number that you connect on with MySQL database. The authentication should be SQL Server. Then put in your username and password that you've set up for your database and then click connect. Your SQL Server connection should show up, and then all you do is expand it and that will show you that you're connected definitely. So hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave any comments if you get stuck. Thanks. Bye bye.